bet. Take it. It's my stuff. What is the reason? Don't resist. I'm not.
On October 28th, 2024, officers at a commercial airport terminal ordered a male subject to leave the premises. What started as a routine removal escalated into a physical arrest. 3 legal questions define this encounter. Was the removal order lawful? Was the force proportionate? And once the subject said he was physically hurt, what were officers constitutionally required to do?
Nick, I think you got your ID.
Did you show me 744? 2 Alpha 2 unit, Hotel Park. How you doing? 3 Alpha 41, unit, Hotel Park.
Temple. Yeah, I did 22.
Did you show me Alpha? 3 Alpha 59.
Show me Alpha
3 Alpha 20. 3,400. 3,400. You have an available 700 spot in G7 represent home to for the passenger mission flight. There any terminal port deviation report to G7 for signal 22?
That's this one. G7. He was at G7.
I think it's a different one.
Tell him this started at G7. Ask him what it was about.
You looking for a terminal port deputy? Come on. I'm going to be driving back over there. Second. 10 for stages or gate G7 or signal point for passenger mission flight.
Name the reference because the person who did the 22 was at G7.
Might be something else.
Yeah. Hold on. Alright, so they're not gonna make you fly? No. Alright, so you just have to leave then.
Got to go to hotel or something.
You have to leave.
Yeah, I'm good. Hey, this way, taxi this way.
Come on.
2 Alpha 10 units off that part. 41. Stand by, 41. 2 Alpha 10, all units on part. Yeah, we're on part, thank you. 2019. 3 Alpha 31, are you all on part? Yeah. 2019. 3 Zulu 41, did you range? Yes, sir. Can you show me 1040, please? 10.519.
Hey, you gotta get a ride and pick up? Somebody picking you up?
No, bro, I'm going home.
Alright, but you gotta leave the airport.
Leave me the f***ing home. No, I'm gonna shit.
Alright, but you can't be around here though.
Spirit, I can't be around Spirit. Bet.
You can't be in the terminal.
Just all 3 of them. What? That's bad. on. Start leaving.
Let's go.
Wherever.
Let's go.
Real? What you gonna do? You gotta throw my shit? My own shit?
Ready?
What?
Put your hand behind back. Take it.
It's my stuff. What is the reason?
Don't resist.
I'm not.
I'm not. Let's get it.
You know,
Who got the
harass me all you want. What is the reason? It's you. Trespass. I'm sorry. First, I was trespassing for 6 years. Where am I at? Here. Rotor.
Relax.
Caribbean.
Go ahead.
I'm nowhere near Frontier. So how am I doing? All yours. Oh, this is a long thing. Bad. Bad.
Is full, the rest of you abandoned?
Yeah, they don't know. Look.
That's your ball.
Oh. Can I go get him?
Yeah, we're going to get
No, you're not.
Come on.
Bad.
Let's go to the car.
Don't worry about it. No, I was working with you.
Let's go to the car. Come on, forget his stuff right now. Let's get his car and then we get his stuff.
I'm sue y'all anyways. Hey, it don't matter. Y'all got plenty of suits. Don't worry about it. Mira.
Hey,
Woo!
I do
I got plenty of
the
suits.
paperwork. You do the transfer.
Yeah, facts. Y'all do what you gotta do. Yeah, plenty of suits. It's Florida. What is it? Come on vacation. Leave on probation. For what? For trying to get a flight.
I want to detain reference to the 51.
All good.
All right, hold on, not yet, sir.
You sure? Y'all so fucking strong. 3 motherfuckers against 1.
Hold on, you got
Y'all
some
did it.
stuff. Yeah, just I'm trying to get us 3 more stuff out of it. Yeah, just hold it down. Come on. We got some stuff right here. There you go. I thought you were ready for it. You got a lot of stuff in here. It's tight ass bags. Come on.
Go ahead.
Oh, chill, relax. Relax.
Whatever you doing to you, baby.
Relax.
Oh, I feel hurt. I'm physically hurt.
All right, relax.
Physically hurt. I'm literally
Relax.
It's all good. No, baby. It's all good. I'm still gonna sue y'all.
What's your 1020?
Still wanna sue them.
No, I think
That's on God, baby.
Let me double check over here.
Do you, baby?
3 off the 20.
Whoa. I work out too.
We're good.
Yeah, I
Just
don't
gotta take off his belt. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah, let me take off the belt.
Take off the pants. Take off the shirt, man. What you gotta do, baby? Nothing, man. Sergeant, what? Cool. No, amigo.
Ready to put him in?
Yeah, gonna put him in. Just taking off his belt. Make sure.
Wait, you still got something?
Yeah. Relax.
Papi, yo no te
Relax, vite.
yo solamente quise irme a tu casa. I'm garbage?
Nobody didn't say garbage. Nobody never said garbage.
Yeah, okay.
Terminal 1, baggage claim cash number 5.
I got it.
Carrier that's advising lost bonds, 19 and 24 hours. 10:45 completion report.
Alright. Well, thank you, assistants, guys. Alright, start up this PC right quick. Start. I'm gonna run it and then start the species.
Airport terminals are government-operated spaces. The Fourth Amendment applies from the moment an officer detains someone, not just when handcuffs go on. That boundary matters here. Under Terry v. Ohio, decided by the Supreme Court in 1968, a brief stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Low bar, but still a bar. Officers need to clear it before touching anyone. For a trespass removal to be lawful, most state statutes require two elements: a clear notice to leave and a refusal to comply. Officers gave that notice on camera. The subject did not immediately comply. Both elements are documented. That gives the removal order legal standing. But a lawful removal order does not automatically justify every level of force used to enforce it. That is where Graham v. Connor comes in. Graham v. Connor, 490 United States, 386. Decided in 1989, is the controlling standard for every use of force case in this country. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not in hindsight. Three factors govern that assessment: the severity of the offense, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting or fleeing. A misdemeanor trespass scores low on all three. 3 officers on 1 non-armed, non-fleeing individual is not automatically excessive, but it requires documentation. Without it, the department has no legal defense if a civil claim is filed under 42 United States Code, Section 1983. Section 1983 allows individuals to sue government actors for constitutional violations. No criminal conviction required. No termination required. Just a constitutional deprivation under color of law that is the whole standard. Now, the subject's verbal conduct. He was profane. He was combative. He said things officers did not want to hear. None of that is criminal. And the Supreme Court has said so directly. City of Houston versus Hill. 482 United States. 451. 1987. Speech directed at police officers is First Amendment protected unless it constitutes fighting words. Words that by their utterance tend to incite an immediate breach of the peace. Profanity does not meet that standard. Saying 3 against 1 is unfair protected. Officers who escalate an arrest solely because of a subject's verbal defiance are building a First Amendment claim against themselves. The most significant legal issue here is not the removal. It is what happened after the subject said he was physically hurt. That statement triggered a constitutional obligation. It does not appear to have been addressed. City of Revere versus Massachusetts General Hospital. 463 United States, 239. 1983. When the government takes a person into custody, it assumes responsibility for that person's serious medical needs under the 14th Amendment Due Process Clause. The subject was not required to prove the injury at the scene. He reported it twice. That is all the law requires of him. At that point, the entire obligation shifted to the officers. If no assessment was initiated and no documentation was made, that gap becomes evidence in federal court. Courts have consistently used exactly that kind of gap to deny qualified immunity. Pearson versus Callahan. 555 United States, 223. 2009. Qualified immunity protects officers only when their conduct does not violate clearly established law. Custodial medical duty has been established since 1983. The shield does not apply. Monell versus Department of Social Services. 436 United States, 658. 1978. A department bears liability when the failure reflects policy, custom, or inadequate training. The exposure does not stay with the individual officer. Officers receive a B-. The removal order was lawfully delivered. The arrest had legal basis. De-escalation was attempted. But the failure to document a custody injury complaint is a constitutional gap, not a paperwork oversight. The subject receives a C+. His verbal conduct was entirely protected. His decision to remain in the terminal after a clear removal order was the core legal mistake. Comply first. Litigate later, that path existed. The department receives a C. Coordination was present. but 3 officers on a nonviolent trespass with no documented justification and an injury complaint left unaddressed that is a Section 1983 lawsuit waiting to be filed. 3 takeaways. First, a lawful removal order creates arrest authority. It does not eliminate proportionality requirements. Force must match the threat, not the officer's frustration. Second, protected speech is not a crime, and treating it as one is legally costly. The correct response to verbal defiance is documentation, not escalation. Third, when a subject in custody says they are hurt, document it. Assess it. Respond to it. That is not discretionary. That is constitutional law with a 1983 price tag attached. The outcome of this case is unknown. No court records were recoverable from the available footage. Trespass charges appear supportable. The custody injury complaint creates a viable civil rights counterclaim. Whether that counterclaim succeeds depends on what officers documented and how the department responds internally. The law does not require perfect policing. It requires documented policing. That distinction decides most Section 1983 cases. Let us know in the comments if there is an interaction or legal topic you want analyzed. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam. For more police interaction and courtroom content,